Welcome to this video on 1D material groups in TonCut. In our previous video, we covered 2D material groups, where we discussed options such as kerf, stack cutting, recycle criterion, and standard sizes. In today's session, we'll focus on the unique aspects of 1D material groups and how to set them up effectively. To begin, select 1D under material type and choose a cutting device. Although selecting a device specific to 1D isn't mandatory, it can improve optimization by focusing on lengthwise cuts, aligning with the characteristics of 1D material groups. In 1D material groups, our primary concern is optimizing along the material's length, but width and thickness still need to be defined to facilitate grouping and visibility. Unlike 2D material groups, formatting here only impacts the left and right ends of the material, effectively trimming just the edges. Now, let's look at rotation and reversal. The rotation option allows you to rotate a piece around the z-axis. In 1D material groups, rotation means flipping the piece by 180 degrees, which swaps the ends but keeps the front and back surfaces the same. This is beneficial if the material has symmetrical ends or if it doesn't matter which end is positioned where. The reversal option, on the other hand, enables flipping around the x-axis, allowing a piece to be mirrored back to front. When reversed, the left and right ends remain in place, but the front and back sides of the piece are swapped. This feature is useful for pieces with asymmetrical cross-sections or specific edge treatments, where using both sides can improve material efficiency. These settings allow for greater flexibility in material usage, especially if the cutting device supports angled cuts. We'll dive into angled cutting details in a future video. For recycling, only the length of the material is considered, and standard sizes are defined similarly to those in 2D material groups, focusing on length dimensions. Finally, let's apply angles to the ends of a piece, setting both to 40 degrees, for example. Once saved, these angles will be displayed directly on the piece, offering clear visuals and optimal flexibility in 1D material setups. With these configurations, you're all set to manage and optimize 1D material groups in TonCut. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore additional device settings.